A-A-C-C-A-R.
Good job. Can you spell it again?
A-A-C-C-A-R.
Good boy.
Can you count to 10? Say 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
1,
4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
Wow.
What do you see? What is it?
Is that a boat? Can you say boat? Can you say macadamia?
Mia.
Good boy.
Wow.
What
Can
is
you
it?
say dinosaur?
Good.
Good boy.
Wow.
That's amazing, isn't it? Wow.
Do you want to spell your name?
Can you spell your name again, Jack?
A-K-D.
Good boy.
Yeah.